Travel. I love to travel abroad. Arrive. We arrived early. Choose. Choose the right answer. Explain. Please explain it again. Improve. I want to improve my English. Decide. He decided to stay home. Invite. She invited me to dinner. Prefer. I prefer tea over coffee. Promise. I promise to help you. Remember. Do you remember his name? Forget. Don't forget your keys. Borrow. Can I borrow your pen? Lend. I can lend you some money. Save. I save money every month. Spend. We spent all day outside. Lose. I always lose my phone. Find. I found your wallet. Search. They searched for answers. Change. The weather changed fast. Suggest. I suggest we go now. Avoid. I avoid fast food. Expect. I expect good results. Reach. We reached the top. Appear. He suddenly appeared. Develop. She developed a new skill. Prepare. I prepared for the exam. Imagine. A better future. Examine. The doctor examined him. Achieve. She achieved her goals. Support. I support your idea. Exhausted. I feel exhausted today. Comfortable. This chair is comfortable. Available. The product is not available. Impossible. Nothing is impossible. Local. I bought local food. Global. It's a global problem. Similar. These words are similar. Different. We have different ideas. Correct. Your answer is correct. Recent. I read a recent article. Education. Education is important. Experience. I have experience in this job. Opinion. What's your opinion? Reason. Give me one reason. Choice. It was a good choice. Moment. Wait a moment. Solution. We found a solution. Conversation. Our conversation was long. Community. Our community is friendly. Culture. I love learning about culture. Nature. Nature is beautiful. Health. Health comes first. Strength. He has great strength. Pressure. I feel a lot of pressure. Freedom. Everyone needs freedom. Memory. I have a good memory. Situation. The situation is bad. Opportunity. It's a great opportunity. Responsible. Be responsible. Challenge. It's a big challenge. Effort. He made a good effort. Purpose. What is your purpose? Knowledge. Knowledge is power. Connection. I feel a strong connection. Behavior. His behavior changed. Ability. She has an ability to teach. Quality. The quality is high. Difference. What's the difference? Attention. Pay attention, please. Direction. Follow the direction. Dangerous. This place is dangerous. Safe. You are safe here. Active. He is very active. Careful. Be careful. Useful. This app is useful. Helpful. Your advice was helpful. Boring. The movie was boring. Excited. I'm excited to start. Nervous. I feel nervous. Confident. She looks confident. Quickly. She finished quickly. Usually. I usually wake up early. Rarely. He rarely goes outside. Already. I already did that. Finally. We finally arrived. Perhaps. Perhaps you are right. Almost. I'm almost ready. Suddenly. He suddenly stopped. Certainly. I certainly agree. Especially. I love music, especially jazz. Without. I can't live without music. Through. We walked through the park. During. We talked during lunch. Against. I'm against this idea. Towards. He walked towards me. Among. I feel comfortable among friends. Besides. Besides English, I study math. Instead. Let's stay home instead. Almost. I'm almost done. Actually. I actually like this idea.